Hi guys, today I'm going to sing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars. Here we go. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. It will take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Ooh, keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. Keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Rain, 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 rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Ooh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Same. There goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. And there'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Comment, rate,